Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today what I've got for you guys is an unboxing of the Feelunique Pick N Mix. Okay then, so as you might already know from my previous videos, the Feelunique Pick N Mix isn't a subscription service. It's something you can opt in and out of. You just go on the website, check it out and decide whether they've got any items that interest you that month. What you get to do is you pick 5 samples and there are various things on there. There's hair care, makeup, skincare, perfume, lots of different things. So you get to choose 5 of those and then all you have to do is pay £3.95 postage and they will send it to you either in an envelope like this or like a little box. And then they will send you via your email a voucher to use the $3.95 that you got as a voucher on the Feelunique website, which sells lots of fantastic products. So then I'm just going to unbox this with you and let you know what I've chosen this month. I don't think there was like a vast array of things that I was really excited by this month, but you know, I have picked my 5 items. Okay then, so let's just open it up. Okay, so we just rip along here. They have taped it as well a little bit this month for some reason. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're in. When you open it up then guys, it's just got a little Feelunique and I think, yeah, our samples and things are in there. So I will just talk you through them. Firstly then is just my little invoice of what I chose. In here we've also got a little envelope of different offers from their partners. So there's some discount off Hobbycraft. There are £10 off Bloom and Wild Flowers and a Graze box. Okay, so let's just discard those to the side for now. So like I said, there wasn't a huge array of things, but I have managed to pick myself up a few little items that I was looking forward to trying. Firstly then, I'll let you know the makeup items that I got. Okay then, so the first 2 are makeup items and I'll show you them together because they're just very similar. And I picked up 2 different Givenchy lipstick samples. The first one then is the Le Rouge Liquid. And in here then we get 3 little samples of 3 different colours. There's the Rose Flanelle, L'Interdit, Rouge Suédoine. Okay, I shouldn't have tried pronouncing those because I'm not very good. I did okay at French, got a C at GCSE. You'd never know it. And I quite like the little samples. They've all got the little Givenchy logo on there and there are 3 nice little samples and you get a little applicator for those. So this says it is the Couture Twist for soft matte lips. So they'll be nice to give a try. And of the similar vein then I also picked up the Givenchy Gloss Iridite Vinyl. Oh my god. Okay, and this one is a Extreme Shine Gloss Lip Contour Enhancer. Okay, and in here then you get 3 different shades again. We have a black, which is a black colour enhancer. It looks like it's got some sparkles to it. We have a pink colour enhancer, which is like a transparent gloss with the look of it. And at the bottom we have Rouge Thriller, which is a red, and again it looks like there might be some kind of glittery particles to that. Okay then, so 2 nice little lipstick samples to have a little play with. You know, they're not massive samples, but I'm really happy actually. You get a decent little amount to actually try and see what you think of the lipsticks. So that's all we really need. Like I say, it's just a sample service, so I'm happy with those. Next then, an item of skincare that I picked up, and I got the Nuxe Refreshing After Sun Lotion, which says it prolongs tanning, helps repair and soothe skin, and it's for face and body. Now what I was thinking is there wasn't an awful lot that excited me this month and I saw this and I thought it might be something nice to put away for when I go away. I'm going to Tenerife in the new year, well in March, and so I thought it might be nice to just hold on to that then and just something a little bit different to slip into my suitcase because you know things like this always come in handy. Next then, something for my hair. I picked up this duo of John Frieda Sheer Blonde Highlight Activating Moisturising Shampoo and Conditioner. And it says it hydrates and reactivates dull faded highlights and it has avocado oil in it. So I do really love John Frieda shampoos. I think that he does some fantastic things, especially with the blonde range. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I think it'll be really nice for my hair. It is starting to go a little darker now. It's getting towards the winter. I tend to find that the sun makes mine so bright. So they're just 2 little sachets. They might do 1 or 2 washes. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. Like I say, I'm a John Frieda fan, and I think to get both of those as a sample is a nice little thing. Lastly then, I picked up a perfume sample. I picked up another Floral Street perfume. I got one in my box last month and I really liked it, so I thought I would maybe try another one from then and see what I thought of this one. This one is the Ylang Ylang Espresso, and again it's just a little sample size. There's nothing too much of information wise on here. It says you get 1.5 mils, and yeah, I think it was like supposed to smell of like a coffee almost, but I think, how did the description put on the website? Something like floral with a hint of like espresso, so I thought it sounded nice. So anyway, let's give that a little spray. Hopefully I won't sneeze. Okay. I like that. Yeah, it's got that definite like coffee smell, but it's not like crazy. It's like a very sweet kind of coffee smell, mixed in with obviously whatever else is in it. Ylang Ylang. And yeah, no, I like that. I think the test-in perfume is wearing it a little, which is why I thought the Secret Scents box, if you saw my video on that, was a great idea. And, you know, this pick and mix service offers, you know, you a chance to try them. I feel like sometimes you have to wear a perfume to like it, but I do, as first impressions, really like that. And like I said, I did really like the one last month, and I actually wore it out a couple of times, and I actually had people asking me what I was wearing. So I'm looking forward to trying this one too. So then, these were my 5 items this month. I got 2 different lipstick samples that I find quite interesting. I'm not entirely sure what the idea is behind the contouring kind of one, but you know, always up for trying new lipsticks. And this one here is a good matte lip, which you know I like, and this will come in handy to take on holiday. I really like the smell of the perfume, and I love John Frieda shampoos, so I'll definitely give those a use. So really happy with my 5 little samples, and for $3.95 you actually get back, I think is incredible. It's definitely worth checking out. So guys then, as ever, if you've liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe, because it will be fantastic to have you here. And remember to tell your friends, because I am planning on doing a giveaway very soon. My subscriber numbers are creeping up slowly. Thank you very much. So I will see you in my next video, hopefully very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.